to privacy an assertion has been raised post this judgment relating to the extension of the protection against self-incrimination towards including the right to a fair trial within the ambit of Article 21 of the introduction. All human beings got 3 lives: public, private, and secret. Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Privacy is something whose worth can be at times tough to measure. It is priceless in a word. Private life is meant to be private, not public, which clearly desires no intrusion. Breach of the right to privacy, even in the case of desirable and wanted intrusions, could pose an immeasurable loss to a party suffering the consequences of such breach. San. In the aforesaid judgment of Selvi versus State of Karnataka, 2010, 7 SCC 263, the constitutionality of various evidence-collecting techniques was challenged in the terms that such techniques are highly affecting the accused's right to privacy in the event of the application of such techniques to extract their testimonial from them, when they voluntarily deny aiding the enforcement agency with their crucial statements subject to the crime committed. Such a means of extracting testimonials through neuroscientific investigative technique has been criticized in the concerned judgment as being violative of Article 23, right to be protected against self-incrimination, as also Article 21. More specifically, it is in breach of the right to privacy of the accused. Prominence has been provided to the mental privacy of the accused within the purview of the jurisprudence of the right to privacy. An assertion has been raised post this judgment relating to the extension of the protection against self-incrimination towards including the right to a fair trial within the ambit of Article 21 of the Constitution, and shall not be confined only to the courtroom, but shall also extend to the prosecution. Facts of Selvi versus State of Karnataka case. The facts of this case state that the appellant Selvi's daughter married a man from a different caste against her family's wishes. In 2004, the man was brutally murdered, and Selvi and 2 others became the prime suspects. In this case, the prosecution sought the court's permission to conduct polygraph and brain mapping tests on the 3 suspects, and such permission was granted. However, when the results of these tests showed deception, the prosecution sought permission to conduct narcoanalysis on the 3 persons, which the magistrate granted. The 3 suspects challenged this decision at the Karnataka High Court, but were denied relief. The appellants, being aggrieved, then appealed to the Supreme Court. In 2004, the appellants filed the first batch of criminal appeals at the Supreme Court. Thereafter, successive appeals in the year 2005, 2006, and 2007 and 2010 were filed, which were taken up together through a special leave petition on 5 May 2010. In this present batch of criminal appeals, the primary objection that the appellants raised was in respect of the instances wherein the accused